Hi students, today we are going to discuss the last topic in our determinant chapter, solve the system of linear equation by matrix method. Okay, so in this three equations they are given. Okay, from three equations we have to write the in the form of matrix. So this value is a11, a12, a13 means first row value. Okay, so 2, 3, 3. I'm writing the equation in the form of matrix. Now here 1 minus 2 y value, then 1. If nothing is there, 1. Okay. If variable only is not present, then you have to consider it as 0. Okay. Again here 3 minus 1, 2. And this after equals to value is there no constant value. That value is considered as a matrix B, which is a column matrix. So 5 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 4, 3. Okay, and here the variables x, y, z, we have to find the variables value x, y, z. So x is equals to x, y, z. Okay, to solve the system of linear equation, the formula is ax is equals to b. Okay, multiply of a into x will lead to b. Okay, means this is our a values, this is our x value will lead to our b value. Okay, now if you derive the x value from this equation, x is equals to this a will come as below denominator, right? So 1 by a into b. Now 1 by a can be written as a inverse of b. Okay, now the thing what you require here is you have to find the inverse of a. So what is the a inverse formula? A inverse is equals to minus 1 to the power, means first you have to write the formula for this one. So a inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of a into adjacent of a, right? So this is the formula for a inverse. A inverse is equals to determinant 1 by determinant of a into adjacent of a. So first we will find the determinant of a. So determinant of a is calculated by how to calculate? So first you have to write the first row value. You can apply formula on any row or any column. Okay. So first I am applying the formula, determinant formula on the first row. So first value positive, negative, positive. Okay. So this is 2. So I will write 2. Then I will leave the first row in the first column. We have to multiply this value. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 1 into 1. Okay, cross multiplying these two value. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus is our formula. Then this minus 1 into 1. Okay, again middle value is negative sign. Okay, plus minus plus. So minus 3, we have to write this value minus 3. Now we have to eliminate that row and that column. So left value is 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 1. Okay, now the last value is positive 3. Now 1 into minus 1 minus of 3 into minus 2. Okay, so this is how we have to find the determinant of the given matrix. You have considered on the first row, you can consider on any row or any column. Okay, now we will solve these values. So 2 into minus 4, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 1. Okay. So here minus into minus will be plus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. Again minus into 1 into 1 it is 1. Minus into minus plus 1. So again minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, plus 3. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6. So minus into minus plus 6. Okay. Again 2, 4 plus 1 it is 5. Minus 3, minus 5, plus 3 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. Minus into minus plus 15. Plus 3 5s are again 15. So our determinant of A is be 40. 30 plus 10, 40. Okay. So next thing we have to calculate the adjacent of A. So for finding the adjacent of A, we need to find the minors and cofactors of the given matrix. Okay. So minus I have to calculate it for every element. Okay, M11 can be calculated by eliminating first row and first column. 1 no. So 1 means eliminating first row and first column. So minus 2 into minus 2 how much? Minus 2 into minus 2, minus of minus 1 into 1. So our value is plus 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so like this only I have to calculate for each and every element. So now M first row second element, that is for this one, this location we are calculating, we have to eliminate first row second column 1 and 2. Okay, this is ij value. So first row second column if we eliminate, so value will be 1 into minus 2 minus of 3 into 1. Okay, so that is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 is our M12. Okay, the same way M13 1 into minus 1 minus of 3 into minus 2 minus 1 plus 5 plus 6, 3 2s are 6. So answer is 5. Okay, the same way M21 we have to eliminate the second or first value. So 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 1 into 3, that is minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. Okay, again M22 we have to eliminate the second row second column. So left out value is 2 into minus 2, we have to cross multiply the left out value, so that is 3 into 3 again, 2 into minus 2, 3 into 3, and the negative is our formula. So minus 4, 3 3 is a minus 9, so our answer is minus 13. Again M23, so eliminate this one, so 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 3 again, so minus 2 minus 9 minus 11. Again M31 can be calculated again by 3 into 1. Okay, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3. So 3 plus 6. Okay, that is our 9. Again M32 2 into 1 minus 1 into 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Again M33. So this capital M is a minus value. Okay, we have to calculate the cofactor set. So M33 2 into minus 2 minus of 1 into 3. So that is minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. So these are all our minus value. Minus. Okay, now we have calculated the minus value. The next thing is we have to calculate the adjacent of A. Okay, so to find the adjacent of A is denoted by capital of A of ij, and the formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j into m of ij. Okay, so A of 1 minus 1 to the power I value j value, that is 1 plus 1, m of 1 we have to write. Okay, so now you need the minus value to solve this. So we have already solved the minus value, right? So that value we will substitute here and we will calculate the next procedure. So minus 1 to the power 2. So minus 1 to the power 2 is positive 1 and M11 value is 5. So 5. Okay. So now, so this is our positive value. So 1 into 5, 5. So A11 value is 5. Same way A12, 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 to the power 3 into M12 value. So minus 1 to the power 3. 3 times multiplying minus 1, it leads to negative value, and M12 value is again minus 5. So our value is minus 5 into negative sign, so it is positive 5. Again A13 value, so A13 value is 5. So here A to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4 M13. So this is a positive minus 1, sorry, it is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1. So 1 into M13 value is 5. So that 5. So answer is 5. Again A21, second row first element, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3, and M21 value. So this value is negative. M21 value is also negative. So answer is 3. Again A22. A22 means minus 1 to the power 4, that is positive, and M22 value. So positive M22 value is negative 13. So it will be negative 13. Okay. The same way A23 minus 1 to the power 5, M23. So minus, this is negative, and M23 value is also negative. So answer is positive 11. A31 minus 1 to the power 4, M31. So minus, this will be positive value, and M31 value is 9. Okay, 9. Again A32 minus 1 to the power 5, M32 minus 1 to the power 5 is negative. So negative sign, and the value is also negative. So answer is positive. Again A33, that is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6, and M33 value. So this is even number, so it is positive, and M33 value is negative, so minus 7. Okay, so this is our cofactor value. Cofactor. Okay, now adjacent of A. Adjacent of A can be calculated by writing the matrix. Okay, first we will write the matrix, and we have to take the transpose of that matrix. Okay, same way A11, A12, A13 we will write. So A11 value is 5, 12 value is 5, 13 value is also 5. Same way 3 minus 13, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7. Okay, so this is our values. We have to take the transpose, then we will get the adjacent of A. So transpose can be, how we can get the transpose? By interchanging the rows into column. Okay, so we have to write the first row as the first column. So first row value is all 5. So I will write the first row as first column. Next 3 minus 13, 11. Second row as the second column. Third one 9, 1 minus 7. Okay, now this is our adjacent of A. Now what is the next procedure? So next procedure is, we have to substitute the values in the formula, that is x is equals to A inverse of B. X is equals to, inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjacent of A into B. Okay, so this is our formula. Now we will substitute the values of all the, so what is the A determinant value? That is 40. Adjacent of A matrix is this one. So that I will write 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13 and 1, and 5, 11 and minus 7. And B matrix. B matrix is 5, minus 4 and 3. Okay, 5 minus 4 and 3. Now you have to multiply adjacent of A with the B. So first row we have to multiply 5 into 5, 3 into 4, 9 into 3. Like that we have to do the calculation. So 5 into 5, 25, 3 into 4, 12. So minus 12, 9 3s are 27. The same way second row with this value. So second row 5 into 5, 25, 3 4s are 52, negative into negative, positive 52. Again plus 1 3s are 3. Again third row with the column value. 5 into 5, 25, 11 into 4, negative sign. So 44 minus 7 3s are 21. Okay, so this is our value. Now if you subtract, so 27 minus 12, so it will be like 15. So 1 by 40, after subtracting you will get your 40, and this one 55 plus 25 80, and this one minus 40. Okay, when you divide this value by 40, so 40 40, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is minus 1. Okay, so our final answer is 1 2 minus 1. So that is equivalent to our x. What is our x? X y z. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the value of x y z. At the end you can write hence x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 and z is equals to minus 1. So this is how you have to solve the given linear equation problem. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you got any doubt, you can ping me. Bye students.